Hi everybody, it's Kevin here today from Smart Home Improvement People. We're doing today's video primarily because my daughter recently told me we've only got 2 weeks left of the summer, and I've heard our first advert on the TV by British Gas. I thought I'd speak to you about, because a lot of people say, when is the best time to start getting your boilers serviced, and how much does it normally cost, and what should you really expect to pay for a boiler service around the UK? Now, when it comes to this question, there's no real right answer, so all I can give you is my personal opinion on this. Now, if you've had any problems with your boiler in the previous winter, what I would normally say is you should really, because obviously as you get further into the winter, boiler engineers get a lot more busy. So I would generally say to get somebody in to have a look at your boiler, to make sure it's all working properly around July, August time. Okay, we've already started getting a few people getting in contact with us about getting boiler services. Okay, if you didn't have any problems last year, which obviously, hopefully, I hope you didn't have any problems, then the argument is that you can probably wait until around about September, October, when the weather is getting a bit cooler and a bit colder, okay, and then get somebody round to do a service then. Okay, and hopefully you'll have no problems in your sail through with your service not needing anything to be done. Okay, when it does come to cost, in the UK there is a bit of a difference in prices for what you can expect to pay. So this is a case when you can pretty much shop around. Now, currently, the average cost of a boiler service in the UK for a combi boiler is between 60 to £120. I've had a look today. You have got some larger companies. It's like British Gas are advertising on TV. Not that I am sponsored by British Gas or anything like that. So they're doing deals at around about £69 at the moment. So you can find deals if you do have a bit of a look around. Okay, and then obviously you can go down the route of getting like packages which are done by lots of small enterprises, small local boiler engineers, or you can go to like the large companies for packages, to do with all the maintenance that they get thrown in as well. Okay, I hope this helps you out a little bit today. If you did enjoy the video, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, and leave any questions that you got in the comments below. But thanks for now, and we'll speak to you a bit later. Okay, cheers, bye.